Tasi!
Hello again, friends. Today's letter is kicking off something cool. It's the kind and clever letter K. Say it with me. K, K, K. This is uppercase K. It's full of kick and kindness. This is lowercase k. K is for kangaroo. Hops across the screen with a pouch. Kite. Twirls high in the sky with a rainbow tail. King. Wearing a crown. Let's trace the letter K in the air. Straight down, then up and slant down. And another slant down the other way. That's uppercase K.
K is a letter for you and me. K is for kangaroo, hopping all day. Kite in the sky, flying away. King in his castle, smiling with glee. K is a letter for you and me.
K is kind, kooky, and full of fun. Wave goodbye to kangaroo, kite, and king. And I'll see you next time for more letter adventures.